Wonderful, oh wonderful, my Jesus is to me. He's a counselor, the Prince of Peace, well, the mighty God. Oh, he is saving me and keeping me from all sin and shame. Well, wonderful is my Redeemer, praise his name. Oh, he is wonderful, wonderful, well, Jesus is to me. He's a counselor, well, the mighty God, man, he is behind, well, from all sin and shame. Well, wonderful is my Redeemer, praise. Once was lost, well, I once was lost. Now I'm found free from condemnation. Jesus gave liberty, saving me, keeping me from all sin and shame. Well, wonderful is my Redeemer, praise him. Isn't he wonderful, my wonderful, well, Jesus. Well, he's the conqueror. He is saving me, keeping me from all sin and shame. Well, wonderful is my Redeemer, praise him. Now I'm found free from condemnation. Jesus gave liberty, now the sins of the past have been all forgiven, and my name is inscribed on the book of my. He is wonderful, my Jesus. Oh, well, he's the and he is saving me, keeping me by from all sin and shame. Well, wonderful is my Redeemer, praise. If the sins free. Reunion, day by day, my holy and sweet communion. Oh, what change grace has brought in my lowly station, since my soul has received full and free. Well, he is wonderful, wonderful, well, Jesus. Whoa, man, he's a man, he is saving me from all sin and shame. Wonderful is my Redeemer, praise. If the same Spirit, if the same Spirit, oh, that raised Christ from the dead, dwell in you, oh, dwell in you, my best, if the same Spirit, my, that raised Christ from the dead, dwell in you, dwell in you, oh, it shall quicken your mortal body. In that faith, it dwell in you. Oh, it shall quicken, oh, your mortal body. In that faith, dwell in you. Oh, if that same Holy Spirit will dwell in you, dwell in you. If that same